Yo guys, I'm back with another unboxing and review video. I know it's been a minute, but you guys killed it with the views, especially the alpha.bounce video and the Nike Vapor backpack videos. So, on that note, if there's any new shoe coming up that you want me to review, or any backpack, or any Nike or Adidas accessory, let me know in the comments down below, and whichever gets the most likes, I will most likely do if I'm not broke at that time. Now, I tried to do an outdoor unboxing video because, you know, nothing beats natural lighting, but... What the fuck, mate? What is this? So yeah, but, you know, let's get started. Now, as I'm showing you the box, which is really nothing special to, I just want to say that intro took me like 50 hours to edit, especially this part. Yeah, I had to do that like 70 times in order to get it right. So please show your boys some appreciation. But anyways, let's open the box, and I don't think you're ready for this. Oh, you thought the wrapping paper was gonna be white? Nope. It's gonna have designs on it. Now you're probably wondering, oh, what is the designs? Well, these are all faces of athletes. Now, this is pretty cool, but I don't know why they did this, but it's still pretty cool. Probably, you know, when they were signing, all these athletes were signing whether to be sponsored by Nike or Adidas. Adidas just said, you know, we'll give you this amount of money, and then Nike said, we'll give you this amount of money, and then they were like, Adidas was like, we'll put your face on a wrapping paper of shoes, and they're like, done deal, bro. As long as my face is on the wrapping shoe, I'm great. But let's actually look at the shoe. Can I get a drum roll, please? Actually, I don't have money to pay for a man to do it, so there you go. All right. So, this is definitely a huge difference. Not really, kind of a huge difference. I can see many aspects of the shoe. It's a lot bulkier than ever before. You know, I don't know if that's a good thing. You know, they say the bigger the better. Yeah, I kind of went for the gray version because, you know, that was the only one they had when I bought it. And I bought it for, as of this video being filmed, for $120 US. And then they brought the price down the day after I bought it, so it should be around $100. So I kind of got cheated there. A little salty, but it's okay. Yeah, so you can see on this plastic part, it says Adidas. I don't know why they haven't made it a silver color, because you kind of want to flex on them boys. Be like, this ain't no Skechers shoe. This is an Adidas performance shoe. Now, there's a lot of... And then right over there in fine print, if anyone was like, yo, what are those? And it should be like, read the fine print. You know, it says alpha.bounce. And there's not a universal mesh around the whole shoe. It's kind of like, you know, different colors, different designs. And those are the plastic parts that hold in the laces so they won't rip off. So, you know, that's kind of a plus. The reason as to why this pattern is all around the whole shoe is because Adidas knows where, like, your feet pressure happens to press when you're running and doing some stuff. I don't know if that's a legitimate thing, but, you know, I guess that's the reason why. But it still looks cool, though. And as we go into the other side of the shoe, it's pretty much the same thing, just more ridges. And, yeah, in the back, you can see the loophole thing. That's actually covered in Xeno material, which is Adidas technology of the reflector being like having a rainbow effect. I'll explain further in the video. And here are the laces. Now, the laces are not as good as the alpha.bounce ones. And here's the tag. The tag kind of looks cheap, but you gotta wait for my tests and demonstration later in the video. And there you go. As the great Rick Ross has said, bounce. Actually, he says boss, but, you know, I just kind of like Rick Ross's voice. I mean, not in that way. It's just, he has a funny voice. And you're probably wondering, wow, there's a tongue that's detached. Nope, psych. You want to see that again? Let's do that again one more time. Psych. It's actually one form-fit shoe, so you can't really pull the tongue. Biggest prank of 2018. And woo! I got the skills to pay the bills. You saw that, guys? And look at under the shoe. If you zoom in closely, you can see that this is made by Continental. Yes, the same company that makes your tires on your cars. Now you're probably wondering, oh, why do they have a Continental sponsorship? Is it all for the money? Nope. Continental usually makes rubbers, and you know they're known for that, and that's the rubber under the shoe, and that's the big difference from the previous alpha.bounce shoe from last year. The actual reason why they added rubber to the shoe this time is because so if you want to have more traction on the basketball court, yes, on the basketball court. You know, when I be balling like LeVar.
Let's go. 2, 3. Cash money. Let's go, baby. Same time. See how I did that? Look at that. That's what I'm talking about.
I gotta have that traction so I won't be slipping off.
Turn up. Hold on, man.
And that's actually the main reason why. And this shoe is called Bounce because it actually has some material that makes you more bouncy. I'm not lying, that's actually true. So Adidas mainly made this shoe as like a universal shoe for athletes, in which, you know, whether you're balling on the court or you're running, it's gonna like be suitable. You can even work out with them, you know, get swole, get some gains, go to the Church of Iron. Now I also like to do a night demonstration of this shoe because, you know, the shoes look different from day and night. It kind of looks a little bit, you know, brighter at night. There's like part of the plastic that, you know, makes it shiny. And then when you turn around with that Xeno material, bling, blow. You know, look at that. It's just like a rainbow effect. It looks so cool. So, yeah, so that's why I like to do these night photos and videos to show you how it looks like. And boys, we're gonna end it off with me putting them on and, you know, peep the joggers, peep the Adidas socks. You know, I try my best not to mix and match with Nike, Adidas, and different companies. You know, kind of have a universal thing going on. Please sponsor me, Adidas, please. No, I'm broke, man. No, I'm just kidding, but not really. Yeah. So this is what the shoe looks on feet. It's really nice, and you know, I got hops, you already know. And so yeah, that's my review video. Let me know one more time what shoe you want me to review next, or backpack, or any other accessory. And yeah, this is gonna be a pain to edit, but I don't care, I'm doing it for you guys. And until next time, boys, peace.